Well, hey gang, here's a random one. Just got in old Raven here and it won't start. Turn it on, full power. Oops, turn the radio off. And just absolutely no crank at all. Plenty of power though, lots of power to drive the windows and everything. So my guess and my hope is with all the heat that we've been having is our starter motor's starting to complain, which is way down in there under the exhaust extractor. Right there. So, easiest thing to do, see if we can give it a whack, see if that helps. So here we go, I've got my tyre iron. Just give things a bit of a tap down there. See if that makes a difference. Oh, check that out. Oh, and she stopped again. All right, baby, come on. Nope. So there we go, that's our starter motor down there. Just pulled that spark lead out of the way. We're just gonna keep giving that a whack. All right, trying again. All right, we got there. Woo! Well, took a few more bangs than we'd hoped, but shows you persistence is the key. Luckily we got that first crank early on to show if we're on the right track, and she's running. Let's go home. And there we go, home safe. And I'll let you in on a little secret. It's actually a few days later now. It hasn't had any problems since then until right this second. Took the family out in it today, went to swimming practice and lunch and all that kind of thing. Plenty stop starts and no issues, and I've just got in it now to take it back to its parking spot, and no bueno. Nada. And just to prove we know exactly what we're doing, give it a few taps. And away she goes.
Power on. Bluetooth.
Okay. So there we go, easy diagnosis. We know for sure that that starter motor is on its way out. Both times it's been really hot and sitting in the sun and baking, so I'm guessing that has something to do with it. And the other times that I've been driving it has been morning and cooler and no issues. So we'll order that starter motor just like that, and we'll just keep driving it. I don't think it's going to leave us stranded. I think a few knocks will get us on our way each time if it has that problem. And as I say, it's only very intermittent right now, so hopefully we won't have too much of an issue before that starter motor arrives. We'll put it in straight away and then we won't have any more issues at all. So I'll see you when the starter motor arrives. Catch you later.